Here are 15 sentences about the culinary history of Kansas. Kansas's rich agricultural land has been the backbone of its food history, with crops like wheat, corn, and soybeans shaping the state's culinary identity. Early settlers brought their own European traditions, including German and Scandinavian recipes that emphasized hearty meat stews and breads. The introduction of railroads in the late 19th century facilitated the transportation of fresh produce, spices, and other ingredients, introducing Kansas to a diverse range of cuisines. Beef cattle ranching became a significant industry, earning Kansas its reputation as a major producer of high-quality beef. The construction of the Transcontinental Railroad also brought Chinese immigrants to Kansas, who introduced their own unique dishes like stir-fries and noodles. As more settlers arrived from Europe, particularly Germany and Scandinavia, traditional recipes like schnitzel and sauerkraut became staples in many Kansas households. In contrast, African American cooks in Kansas developed their own distinct culinary traditions, often using ingredients like cornmeal and wild game to create flavorful dishes. The 1920s saw a rise in roadside diners and cafes, which served classic comfort foods like burgers, sandwiches, and milkshakes. Kansas's Native American tribes also played an important role in shaping the state's food history, introducing crops like sunflowers and prairie turnips that were later adopted by European settlers. The development of the meatpacking industry led to the creation of iconic Kansas dishes like Kansas City-style barbecue and burnt ends. As immigrants continued to arrive from various countries, their cuisines blended with existing traditions, resulting in a rich culinary melting pot. One notable example is the Kansas City-style burnt end sandwich, which consists of crispy pork belly and barbecue sauce on toasted bread. In recent years, Kansas has experienced a resurgence in interest in local and artisanal foods, with many farmers' markets and food cooperatives popping up across the state. The Kansas State Fair, held annually in Hutchinson, showcases the state's agricultural bounty through traditional recipes like fried chicken, corn dogs, and homemade pies. By embracing its diverse culinary heritage, Kansas has created a unique and flavorful food scene that reflects the state's history, geography, and cultural diversity.